Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be walking you through how to change your country in Gmail on your PC. This is especially useful if you've relocated or need to update your information for any reason. The process is quick and straightforward, so let's dive in. First, start by opening your web browser and navigating to gmail.com. Enter your login credentials if prompted, and you'll arrive at your inbox. Once you're logged in, look for the gear icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This icon represents settings. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can customize various options. Now let's find the General section. Scroll down until you see the part labeled Phone Numbers. Here, you'll notice an option to change the country code for your phone number. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and select the appropriate country code that corresponds to your new location. This step is crucial for ensuring you receive verification codes and important notifications. After you've made that change, don't forget to save your settings. Look for the button that says Save Changes at the bottom of the page and give it a click. This will ensure that your new country settings are applied. And there you go. You've successfully changed the country in Gmail on your PC. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.